So I will do presentation for the assignment one. So based all of the side source. So I'm going to talk about the healthy robot and it's between the human being, but mainly I'm going to talk about the user control of data. So I have 2 points to talk about the user control of data. So the first one is data selection. So which means type of data that will be collected. The second point is access to data. So for the data selection, the health robot can to collect some data like physiological signs, for example, the users, the heart rates and breathing rates, scanning constraints. And also the robots also have the video cameras and so can collect the gestures and facial expressions. The microphone can also collect the voice commander. So and also the conversation of the user with other people's or the user's connection conversation between user and robots. The next one is gonna be to the healthy robot gonna monitor the healthy data. The last one is so the robot also the connect of the like audio and video for daily life or something like that. So the next key point is access to data. So the user definitely can access the data. So for example, the children and the disabled and elderly people. Next one is the lab and researchers definitely can access the data. So they can base of all of the data to update and fix some problem with that. So it's going to push out of the new generation for the next user or fix all of the problem for the user. The last one, access the data is selective with stuff for because in most of the Western country, the family and the guardians quite important role in their life. So I think the user can to select so the membership who access the data, but not all of the membership. Also for the children's guardians, it's quite important role for this to access the data and it's good for all of the user. The last one is just the last page is a conclusion. Still have the key point of the data selection and access to data. So data selection is audio videos, monitor health rate and physiological signs. Access to data is going to be user, live and research, and also the selective agents. So this is all of the presentation content, and thank you so much.